It is Thursday, and that means we are back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. And if you're looking to start off the year with a tasty yet healthy treat, Lynn has the perfect smoothie recipe for you. Let's check it out.
We can all overdo it sometimes, especially this time of the year. So instead of jumping on a fad diet bandwagon, there are some easy things that we can do. Let's use some of this New Year's motivation to boost our nutrition and physical activity. Really, it's important just to do some baby steps that we can stick with. So this smoothie is something I kind of think of as a reset smoothie in our house. I know we've done smoothies before on the show. This one is, it's a little different. It's just really full of all sorts of fruits and vegetables to kind of boost everything and make you feel a little bit better after maybe going over the other way too much over the holidays. So I start out with about a cup of water in my blender, and I apologize, my blender's almost as tall as me on this counter. And I start with some sort of nut milk usually, or seed milk or something like that. You can use the stuff from the store. You can throw a couple almonds in here and just grind them up. I'm going to use a little bit of hemp seeds. They grind up really nicely because they're so soft. They're also really high in omega-3s and fiber, iron, manganese, so they're just a good thing to boost the nutrients in this. Okay, so once you get them out ground up, we have some nut or seed milk here. And now I'm going to add in the two base ingredients that I always use, and that is blueberries and cranberries. So I use about 3/4 of a cup of blueberries here. I had a cup of water in the beginning. And then many people didn't know what to do with their cranberries after the holidays. You might still even be able to find some in the store. And I do a little bit more than 1/4 of a cup, so maybe 1 full and 1/2. Turn this on and make a little noise. So you can see all that bright color that's come out now. I put in a dash of cinnamon. I'm going to do a little dash of ginger on my tiptoes here. I'm going to add some turmeric in. So you won't taste the pepper, just give a couple sprinkles there. And then I've got some spirulina. This is something that you don't have to add, but again, it's very high in protein, it's high in iron, it's very low in calories. And then I'm going to actually mix that up a little first. Now, when my husband and I drink this, we don't sweeten it at all. The cranberries are not sweet though, so with all of these things blended together, this can be a little tart. So you can always add in maybe a teaspoon or 2 of honey, maple syrup. I've got some date syrup here that I'm going to add. It just makes it a little bit sweeter. And we're going to give that a whirl. And then the last thing I'm going to add here is some baby spinach. Spinach just melts so nicely into this. And I'm putting a lot, but it will disappear, and thanks to all the blueberries and cranberries and their colors, we are not going to really even notice that it's in there, because it'll kind of vanish. Now, that's basically it. You could add things in like chia seeds if you wanted. You could add a little bit of avocado if you have one that's a little bit bruised that you don't know what to do with it. It's a good way to make this really creamy. It also will give it something a little more filling to keep you full throughout the entire morning. I'm going to add lastly just a little teeny bit of collagen. And you know, the science is kind of there hasn't enough research on collagen to say that it's something that we absolutely have to have as some sort of amazing food, but our body makes a lot of it, we make less of it as we age, and it boosts the protein in this and makes it nice and creamy. Pour that in. And that is pretty much it. This will certainly boost your veggie intake and your fruit intake and help you start off the year with a great boost of nutrients. So I hope you make it, and if you do, we'd love to hear about it.
Now, as a reminder, we do have all of Lynn's tips and tricks on our website. To find them, just log on to 47abc.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page. For more news and weather after the break, you're watching 47 ABC WMDT.
47 ABC News, because local matters.